This is what greeted Al Snyder the day he buried his son, a Marine who died in Iraq. Members of a fundamentalist Kansas church picket soldiers' funerals. They believe U.S. deaths in Iraq and Afghanistan are punishment for the nation's tolerance of homosexuality. The Supreme Court justices heard competing arguments about whether the Constitution protects their actions. The daughter of the church's pastor insisted the First Amendment is their shield.
The mere fact that you take offense at words or call yourself having your feelings hurt over words is not enough to shut up the speech.
But the lawyer for Al Snyder told the justices that church members went beyond what is protected free speech.
There is a civilized way to express an opinion in America, but it does not involve intentionally inflicting emotional distress on others, intentionally harming a private citizen at a private funeral. It's not the constitutional right.
Outside the court, church members reiterated they were within their rights.
And we're 1,000 feet away, and he had Patriot Guard members up surrounding the building. So how did we invade his privacy if we are standing on public streets?
We're also here to support everyone who disagrees, and we also disagree with the sentiments of Westboro Baptist, but we also believe in our Constitution. So we're kind of between a rock and a hard place on this argument.
Justices clearly struggled with the same issue. Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg saying the question is whether the First Amendment must tolerate exploiting this bereaved family. A federal appeals court sided with the church, throwing out a multi-million-dollar award to Snyder. The High Court's ruling in this free speech case could have widespread ramifications. Several media organizations, including the Associated Press, supported the church in this case, even though they disagree with its protests, because they fear a victory for Snyder could erode free speech rights. Jerry Bodlander, the Associated Press, at the Supreme Court.